Hi, is this you? You have a home office, but it's so cluttered with stuff, you're not using it? That's especially bad during these work from home days. I have a client, Carole, who was in the same situation. She worked long hours, she came home late, she dropped stuff on her desk, whether it be mail or papers, and she went off and had dinner. She never used the desk. It's been years since she sat down and actually did work at it. Then we had a pandemic. Now she had a problem. She had only the sofa and the coffee table to work from. Well, after a couple of months, this really wasn't cutting it. I'm Stephanie Shalofsky of the Organizing Zone, and I wanted to share with you how within one virtual organizing session, we put Carole back at that desk. So this is what her desk looked like before we started. As you can see, very cluttered. She, like many people, didn't know where to start to tackle that clutter. So during our first session and only session, this is what we worked on. We sorted the papers that had collected, filed, trashed, shredded. We set up a to-do folder. All those papers that represented tasks that needed to be done went in that folder so that when she sat down and was ready to do the work, she had one place to go to find them. And then any new bills or other paperwork that required action, when it arrived, could immediately be put in that folder. So she was in a much better place, less piles. And lastly, we created a mail processing system because we didn't want to recreate all the piles that she's spending this time clearing. So by the end of the session, she had a few tasks to complete. Well, a couple of weeks later, I get an email from her. The message starts with, "Thank you so much. I am typing this while I'm sitting at my desk." Well, I was ecstatic for her. We had set up systems that worked for her. She got control over her life and her desk. She could manage the space. Everything had a place. So if you're like Carole and are having an issue with your home office, let's talk. I'm Stephanie Shalofsky of the Organizing Zone. You can reach me at 917-375-0631. I look forward to chatting with you.